Do you want to impress your party guests with this beautiful stitch piñata that looks super professional but is actually really easy to make? Then stick around. I'm gonna show you my secret hack on how to fake the 3D volume without using balloons or paper mache on the usual mess. And instead you're gonna be using all those takeaway plastic bags that you have hidden in the kitchen. Piñatas like this sell for $80 on Etsy or even more, but you can make yours for almost next to nothing. And to make it even easier, I actually have a printable template for you. So let's go. But first, here's what you're gonna need. And that's it, guys. We are done. The next step is optional. He already looks so handsome, but if you want to, you can add a little bit more definition using an outline. Let me show you how. It's really easy. And our stitch is done. He's so cute. And hey, if you cannot bring yourself to smash it, which I totally get it, you can also turn it into a upholstery piñata instead. I will leave you the link at the end of the video. It's really, really easy, so go and check it out. And hey, if you like this tutorial, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy projects, and I'll see you for the next one. Thank you so much.